Alright guys, so we got this Sneed4speed Billy Club shift knob. This is BMW Mini right there. Came with this, oh shit. Came with this cool sticker. I don't know, might put that on. I guess I'm just gonna unbox this or whatever it. I'm sitting pretty awkwardly because that's what you gotta do to get a good leverage on it. So this is Derlin. I didn't get the Pro. The Pro is knurled, like, you know, some texture right here, but it's still pretty cool. It's actually lighter than I thought, so it seems to be fine. It's gonna go right there. They give you a little Allen key to work with it, you know. Alright, so it's hard to get a good angle, but I guess this is fine. So I'm sitting in between the two seats, and I'm just gonna hold it, you know, cut my hands and try to pull it up. I seen it done on YouTube, but I never done it myself, so let's see if it works. Oh shit. Alright, yeah, so honestly, you want to back up a little bit because this shit will hit you right in the face, I swear. So yeah, this shit almost hit me in the face, so you guys want to back up a little bit because it's kind of crazy, you know? You're gonna get hurt. So I guess we just put this shit on. Okay, so this is like a tight, not rubbery thing, but it's tight in there so it seals. I'm gonna put the Sneed towards me. Alright, I'm gonna just put it on real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and, you know, put it on there. I just shoved it hard, like downward, and it's not coming up. I mean, it spins, like if you really try, but yeah, like it's not gonna come up super easily, so I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. I'm pretty sure it's bottomed out, and I'm just gonna tighten down that screw, and it should be fine. I think I'm doing it with one hand. Alright, I'm gonna finish it off with both hands so I don't strip it or anything. Alright, so alright, there you go. Honestly, the sun is in the way. Like, it's making the footage all hazy. But there you go. It's installed. I guess don't over tighten it, you know, because you don't need to. It's on there good. I mean, if you really try, you know, like you're trying to be the Hulk, you could rip it off, but, or like not rip it off, or maybe rip it off, but like turn it, yeah. But you know, you shouldn't be trying to do that. It's just on there, you know. Like, it's not like the stock one that has the two little notches in there. You can see those two little tabs that lock into it so it won't turn left or right. But you know, it's not going anywhere. Shifts pretty good. Reverse. It's definitely easier to shift, that's for sure. Alright, so I'm sitting in the driver's seat right now. And if you're like me, you know, you're kind of tall, so the seat has to go far back. So your pedals are good, but then the steering wheel's kind of weird, you know? But, you know, all this is worth it. But the shifter, right? The shifter is pretty damn far forward. So if you're like me and it's hard to get it into fifth gear because it's far away from you, this is actually a really good buy. Like, that's why I really wanted it, so fifth gear was in a good position, and it actually feels really good, you know? Got my dog right here. But yeah, got my brother's SI Civic right there. Hopefully do a cool video on that soon. I'll do like a little build breakdown type of thingy, but it's out of commission right now. He broke fourth gear in it, so yeah. But so there's instructions in this tube, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, these are just testimonials. I saw the Billy Club, blah blah blah. I don't ever lose the shifter anymore. See, there you go. You don't lose the shifter. I always lost it in fifth gear because it was too far away from me. But I guess that's how it's made. Look at that. So it goes all the way in there, and then you just lock it down. Pretty sure it's good, you know. There we go. Sneed4speed Billy Club. we're done, guys. Stick around for future videos. I'm gonna try to make some more. Right, so we got this package here. Some horrible packaging. Here it is, man. For some reason, the packaging smells like beef jerky. I don't know why. But yeah, so you guys know that taillight post was cracked, and I found a way to zip tie it in there. It's still kind of loose, but it works, you know. So yeah, I got some LED taillights. No more black taillights, and yeah. But thanks for watching. You know, I haven't been really making videos that often, just because I really don't have money for parts. But what was I gonna say? I'm gonna try to start a clothing company very soon. I've been investing some money into that, so I'll go ahead and post the links or whatever when I have it done. Should be done by April, you know, like for sure, making stuff by April. So I'll, you know, post on my YouTube because I know I get some viewers on this. Thank you to the people who have subscribed, and thanks for watching. Say bye, baby. Alright, she says fuck you.